started with a simple idea: to ride across Greece and Turkey with motorcycles in less than 20 days. After 7 long days on the road, we have successfully ridden across Greece, through northern Turkey and all the way down to Caroline Canyon. Now it's finally time to head toward Cappadocia and continuing along the stunning southern coast of Turkey all the way to Pamukkale. Sit back guys and enjoy the ride. Cappadocia feels like something from another planet. Carved by wind and time, its bizarre rock formations, called fairy chimneys, stretch across the valleys like a natural sculpture garden. For thousands of years, people have lived here, carving homes, churches and even entire underground cities into the soft volcanic rock. It's a place where nature and history blend together in the most unexpected way. We decided to wake up early in the morning and arrived at this stunning place where balloons take over the skies. It's like a giant floating circus, but way more peaceful. Definitely something that makes you forget how early it is. next stop was Salda Lake, often called the Turkish Maldives for its crystal clear waters and white sandy shores. The sand gets its white color from the high magnesium content, and it's also believed to have healing properties for certain skin conditions. After a few days, we finally reached Pamukkale, and wow, it's really like nothing else. The bright white terraces stretch across the landscape, filled with warm, clear water. It's a bit pricey and touristy, but still one of those places that you cannot see anywhere else in the world. Wow, what an incredible journey it's been! From the winding roads of Greece to the surreal landscape of Cappadocia, we've experienced the beauty of the unknown. We conquered the legendary D915, stood in the Pamukkale's natural wonders, and rode through valleys where every turn felt like a new chapter. Along the way, we've discovered more than just amazing views. We found a sense of freedom, the kind of thrill that comes from exploring new places and embracing the challenges on the road. It's also about the people you meet, the places you see, and the stories you create along the way that you never truly forget. If your souls ever longed for something like this, don't wait. The world is wide, full of wonders, and your adventure is just the beginning.